Shit, boy, so I finally bought us a parts truck for the black truck. This is a 96 YESSIR, obviously. I don't know, it might become Justin's. The interior is very clean though. Like, there's like no tears or anything on the truck. Oh fuck, am I in your way? We're trying to get it back home now. Overdrive's messed up in the transmission, so I have to fix that. I think you're just gonna have to pull that off and replace it. I never did it before, but it ain't hard to YouTube and do it on your own. Other than that, it runs solid. I think it needs a tune up on the engine because there's a check engine light, so we might check into that. Front end shot, honestly, like honest to God, the front end shot. Damn, we got a red light, we just fucking started going. Other than that, this bitch will do a one wheel pill all day long. You ain't touching it. It's got the Magnum, yes sir. It definitely needs a tune up though, because it really won't go anywhere right now. But I know I mentioned in the past I've been looking for one, but I finally found one. I scooped this bad boy up for $1,000. It's gonna need a new top part for the dash. The dash is busted on the top. Other than that, like, the thing's immaculate. Paint isn't too pretty, but we'll do a walk around once we get home, when we make it home. I put $15 in it. Did that get me to a quarter tank? God damn. So I put $15 into it just to get us home, and it got us halfway. And there's the overdrive shaking right now. Just gas through, just hammer down. There we go. See the shit. It turned off now.
Shit, that ain't even worth
shit. Yeah, boy, you ain't gonna fix overdrive. Oh shit. Hey, we're gonna take Dixie home. All right, so I'll check back in with y'all once we get home in like 10 minutes, hopefully. All right, bro, we made it home, bro. Bro, there it is, in all her glory. We're actually gonna pull it back forward now because we're literally finna cut the fucking cats off like right now. It sounds like shit, but it's really gonna sound like shit. Oh fuck. Bro, look at that, bro. That's beautiful. Hear that front end knocking? Oh shit!
I don't know what that motherfucker's doing, bro. It's bouncing like a
That's a damn shock. That bit of going, boy. Bro, it needs a lot of work. I bought it to pull the interior out, but shit, I think Justin might keep it. I don't know. He can get rid of that fucking car he got. Get you a little fucking Dodge, yes sir.
sure it ain't like I'm going nowhere.
Yes sir. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip it around now and show you like around it real quick, and like we're literally fixing to cut this fucking cats off. All right, bro, here you go. That 2-wheel drive, 96. It just needs a bath, bro. I need to take that fucking buzzer. But look at the interior though. You can't lie. You cannot lie. Like interior wise, minus the dash, because the dash is gone. Let me pull the key out. Sorry about that, guys. Minus the dash, you can't lie. This is clean. One little wear spot right here. Other than that, bro, like, and the headline's coming down, but we'll see about fixing that. Bro, look at, oh my goodness, bro. Like, compared, like that right there, and then, fuck, I guess let's pop the hood. It has $251 on the dash, but for $1,000, you have a running vehicle. You have a running vehicle for $1,000. I feel like a lot of people, like, you know, go out and buy new vehicles. They can't even afford it, but they don't know how to have the know-how to fix things either. Here's the inside. Nothing major leaking that I can tell so far. Who fucking knows? Something's definitely burning. It's probably all the horsepower we got in this bitch now. I don't know. Probably burning oil. There's a damn gas engine with 250,000 miles. Imagine the damn O-rings or the piston rings are going in that bitch. Doesn't hold the camera. Here, hold the camera, like show. I want to show them how it shot, like scoot back, get me. I'm gonna show you how shot the front end is. The front end is shot completely. Front end is shot like completely. Yeah. But do what? Is it sitting cattywampus?
I don't know. It kind of like it might be sitting a little cattywampus.
It look like it got that tilt to it.
Look, the front end broke off.
It is. It probably really is something broke off. I can hear that damn knocking. Other than that, let's see here. Everything's. We actually did do a 1-wheel peel. Justin did it when he pulled it up in the yard. Here's the back. Like the panels are solid on it. Like there's no rust. You know, rusting through anything. It's solid. It's a solid truck for the year. I guess it was like a fucking farm truck. I bought it off a pastor, but okay. So the interior is going in the black truck, right? Because I literally have no interior in here, right? So I'm pulling out all this shit, all this is getting pulled out, all the tan is getting pulled out. I know it is Laramie, but it's a piece of shit, honestly, and it's not gonna look right if I put blue and the gray and all that together. So I'll pull that out. Update on the blue truck. Let's go over there. Over there on the blue truck, bought a battery for it, charged it up. I kept killing the battery, so what I did is I charged both batteries back up, and then I unplugged it. The blue truck is honestly probably the head turner. Oh man, it's dirty now because of the pollen and trees and shit. But oh shit, blue truck still not sold yet. But damn, it really is a head turner. Blue truck has really nice dash interior, pretty nice interior as well. There's no cracks on that dash. I get like interior in here is pretty straight too. The seats are pretty worn. But yeah, not really driving the blue truck. I drive it every now and then, but other than that, yeah, pretty straight. So I guess it just kind of goes to show, like, if you have like a little bit of know how to do things and a little bit of money, like, you can get by. And you like I could probably fix this truck up, flip it for like a little bit, but there's definitely not a lot of profit in it if I do sell it, especially when I get out the interior. So I might just have to keep it. Fuck, I don't know. You never know if you're gonna need a runaround truck. But we're literally gonna try to do a couple things now to it. I'm literally gonna try to fucking cut the cats out like right now, because I take that annoying ass buzzer off as well. So I guess I'll check back in later. I don't know. I'm pretty excited though. I've been looking one for like I said, like since I got the white truck. Now I got that back in like what like late October, early September. And so I've been looking for one, but I finally found it. So oh my god, I'm so fucking excited, bro. Finally. Damn. Update since yesterday. We didn't do anything last night to it. We said we was gonna cut the cats out, but we realized that was too much work. Shit, all right, let me come over here then. Said it's too much work, and he's like, bro, fuck it. Oh shit. We hooked up the a Scantron tool last night to the OBD2 port, and all 8 cylinders are misfiring. So that means definitely it doesn't run right at all. But I mean, it does run and drive, and now Justin wants it. So yeah, still stripping out the interior though, because this is a $1,000 truck versus the 12 valve, you know, which is worth a lot more money than this fucking old ass gasser truck. But yeah, I guess now Justin's gonna take it over and start fixing it. We're still getting out the interior. That's like the main goal today, since we have time. God damn, we just got the seats out. Now we gotta start taking panels and carpet out, and the dash.
We're taking the carpet out?
Fuck, maybe. Yeah, god damn. Gotta get like over here, fucking sun. Okay. Update since yesterday. We got all the interior pulled out of this truck last night. Like, it's completely gutted, no dash, anything. The dash is actually back on the tailgate. Pulled everything out of 12 valve this morning, and now it's like mid-afternoon. Fuck, we're running out of daylight. And this dash is out now. Oh, you can't see it. Yeet. Hey, there's a dash right there. Also got the back end of it installed, the panels and the new seat. Looks alright, you know. I like it. It looks a lot better than it did. Not missing shit. Just helped me this morning. Then Joe's here now. Then Sammy was here last night. Sammy taught me how to pull the dash last night. Holy fuck, bro. Pulling the dashes is a lot more complicated than I thought it'd be. It's a lot of wires and shit that I didn't really account for. And a lot of like small things. Other than that, once you get all the wires pulled out, it's pretty much you just unbolt the bolts at the top of the dash and then the 2 at the bottom of the kick panels, and then shit is pretty easy from there. But now we're just changing over parts between the dashes. The good parts off both are going on this dash. This is the good dash. I have to order a replacement top, and also I still have to I have to order a I'm gonna order like a black vinyl flooring for it. I'm not gonna use that carpet. That carpet's fucking gross, bro. That's where we're at now. Holy fuck, it's still like a still like a lot left to do. I feel like you could knock this out like in one day if you had 2 people knowing like what the fuck they were doing the whole time, but I don't. Well, Sammy would know what he was doing, but Sammy's busy, and Joe, what the fuck?
It was a necklace.
Joe, oh, you gonna keep the pearl necklace?
I
would not put that on. That shit is dirty as fuck. Okay, that's now. Hopefully next time I check back in, we'll have all this shit installed. Cause god damn, bro, I go back to work tomorrow. Why'd you throw it away?
Because it's costume jewelry. It ain't real.
I was thinking, what if that's like real pearls?
It's not.
Oh, okay. All right, boys and girls, we finally got it in as much as we could for now. I still have to order the floor, and I have to order 2 dash pieces. They broke during the process of taking it in and out. The dash is super fucking brittle. Holy shit, I would never do this shit again. I'll show everything to you all right here in a minute, but fuck, finally done for now. Didn't really bolt down the seats right now because I'm waiting for the floor, waiting for like the panels, the vinyl flooring to come in, so that'll be in next. Oh fuck, I think I'm gonna sand the floor because I have rust in the floor, and I think sanding the floor would be like a good idea. But now I just have like some placeholder bolts in for the seats to hold them down because I'm not really gonna be going anywhere right now. It'd be good enough for now. We had to track down an issue with the brake lights. They would just stay on even after you turn it off and take the key out. They would just stay on. But Sammy fixed that. It was like one of these little bitty things that go up on the dash. He wouldn't tell me what, because he'll just look at you and just do it, and he won't tell you why. Fuck, got it fixed though. Let me go ahead and flip this around and show you guys the interior now. It looks like shit. It's like a little bit better looking shit, so fuck, good enough. Okay, that was the seats. I ripped the hell up. And here's the seats. Oh shit, let me go on the other side. That shit block it, gonna skate. There's like a whole bunch of junk and shit back there, the other one. Boy. Like the seats and stuff like aren't that bad. As you see, we have like the bottom pieces like all through are really good, and then I still have to order this top piece and then this face piece right here, and then we replaced the we got the clock out and everything like that. I have the vents and stuff like that. Headline is still determining. Oh, fuck, we got the rest of it, bro. I would say it wouldn't be that hard of a job if you have someone with you that knows what the fuck they're doing, but I didn't. But I had Sammy, so definitely took it a lot. If you see over there, I broke that piece earlier. The dash fell and I tried to catch it in instinct and it just broke, and I almost had a fucking mental breakdown for like 20 seconds. Like I wanted to cry. Then I have the pillar pieces. I haven't put them in yet. And then yeah, so like all in all, it's a lot of work, but I feel like at the end of the day, like what I want, like it's like my project truck, like from like what it's coming from to like what it is now, I feel like it's definitely came a long way as far as like looks and stuff like that. Like it still hasn't been like no modifications to like the engine and transmission besides us putting that new clutch back when we first got it, and that was a bitch then. But young Sam always pulls through. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. So just any questions or anything like that, definitely feel free to leave questions down below. I know this video skipped around a lot, but fuck, bro, it was like a lot, and there's a lot of like tedious work, like trying to make sure you don't break everything. But I appreciate you guys for watching. Hope you guys have a great day, and yeah, tune in next time. Fuck, I don't know what I'll be doing. I'll probably be ranting about something about the National Guard. I don't even know.